Hey guys, and welcome back to another abandoned exploration video. Today we're taking a look at an old factory. This is down in the southeast of South Australia. Now I did forget to turn the microphone on for the first part of this video, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. This factory is pretty badly damaged. It's pretty much completely burnt to the ground. Well, I mean, excluding the main structure, but everything inside is pretty much destroyed. Most of the rooms I couldn't even get into, or it just wasn't worth trying to navigate through all the debris. So we're pretty much at the back of the factory now. Now, I believe that this used to be a fish processing or seafood processing factory at some point. Not exactly sure when it closed down. I think it was a few years ago. Yeah, it's definitely in a state of ruin. It's actually up on the market at the moment for sale, but doesn't look like there's been any interested buyers, or at least no one that's done anything with the property. Just walking back to that's looking back towards the front there, but we'll just go into this section. As you can see, there's just metal and steel and everything all over the ground. I think it's actually the floor or the roof from above that's fallen through. There's really nothing of much value in there, I guess, unless it's scrap steel, but yeah, it's just one great big mess. So I'm not sure whether this burnt down after the factory closed or when the factory was running. I wasn't able to determine that. Yeah, perhaps arson or something like that, who knows. So we'll come out of the factory and into what I think are the administration buildings, from what I can tell. I don't think there was a window or a wall that wasn't punched out here. Really, nothing of value under here. Everything's been cleared out. One thing that's a little bit strange about this is the roof actually slopes down. Now, the reason for that is there's a ramp that the trucks will drive on. That's right above us here. It sort of runs all the way down, and you have to squat it around this point or you have to duck down at this point even to try and get through there. So. But yeah, it's all floored under there. It's all wooden floorboards. So what they were doing there, I don't know. Probably just storage. I can't imagine anyone would actually be working under there. But a little strange. I was hearing noises when I was walking through here, little banging and that sort of stuff, which probably isn't uncommon. Wind blowing things around. There was an active business there next door that I think someone was working in. So even though I was here on the weekend, there was still someone working there next door. So I was trying to be pretty quiet through most of it. Now we're coming up to the part here where I've managed to turn the microphone back on. So I will switch over to that audio and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so I just realised that the microphone wasn't on for the entire video, so So I might go back and record that in a second, but although maybe I'll just do a voiceover on it. But yeah, basically, quick rundown is this is an abandoned factory. The factory part looks to have been burnt down. I'm just looking through the offices here now. So this will explain the why the roof is that way. There's a ramp road that goes up there. So probably trucks would drive up to the top there and dump whatever they were dumping. That's just a guess. I'm not going up there. That whole section's burnt out and the floor's fallen through. So I think I'll stay down here where it's a little bit safer. So yeah, nothing left in these offices at all. It's just empty. Now I think looking at Google Maps, I think this shut down in the last 3 years, maybe 4 years. I'll have to double check that, but it's amazing just how quickly it's gone to ruin in such a short time. So. Not really sure what this room was. Sort of a big open area, perhaps a lunchroom or a break room. Would be my best guess. Also, this is quite cool. I just heard a door slam. Don't know if that was in here or next door. It's been a bit of rain here today. That's where I parked, right next to it. But it's tucked in behind the trees there, so. Alright, well. I think that might do it. I think we've seen pretty much all of it. Thanks for watching.